primary key. Yeah. So you know what is the primary key? Any key which is unique and not
Not repeat.
not
Not repeat.
not repeatable. Candidate key selected. So it is a candidate key selected to identify tuples uniquely within the relations. And a foreign key which is a primary key which is a foreign key in another one.
And another one, but yeah.
Okay. So a primary key from one table. So it is what? So it says that it's the primary key from one table, okay, which appears in a second table to link the two tables. So for joining two tables, what we do we transfer the primary key of one table into another table as a foreign key. So that key is column becomes a foreign key over there. Primary key is not repeated. Primary key is unique over there, but foreign key in it you can duplicate it, no problem over there, right? Basically the primary key is a foreign key in another table, but in the when it becomes a foreign key, you can then play with that one. But when it is a primary key, you cannot play with that. It is static over there. It is unique. It is not repeated over there. But the same primary key, when you move to the another table, you can they change the behavior. You can play with that one, right? So this is one of the trick in the primary and the foreign key over there.